Imagine a world where Alzheimer's could be reversed. A team of scientists from Spain, China, and the UK has made this dream a reality. They developed a groundbreaking nanotechnology treatment that restores brain function in mice suffering from Alzheimer's by focusing on the brain's blood-brain barrier. Unlike traditional methods focusing on neurons, this innovative approach repairs the blood-brain barrier, allowing the brain to clear harmful waste. This barrier is crucial for brain health, regulating what enters and exits the brain. The brain consumes a significant amount of energy through an extensive network of blood vessels. If these vessels fail, cognitive decline accelerates. By targeting biological pathways within the brain, researchers can help remove toxic proteins like amyloid AB, which accumulates in Alzheimer's. In their study, genetically engineered mice exhibited cognitive symptoms typical of Alzheimer's. The researchers injected them with supramolecular drugs, which are nanoparticles that act therapeutically. Just 1 hour after injection, a 50 to 60% reduction in AB levels was noted. Over the months, mice demonstrated remarkable recovery. One treated mouse, initially aged 12 months, showed behavior comparable to a healthy mouse 6 months later. The treatment restores healthy blood flow and cleaning processes in the brain, reversing disease symptoms. The researchers found that normalizing brain vasculature allows accumulation of AB to clear out. These nanoparticles mimic ligands necessary for clearing AB across the blood-brain barrier. By doing so, they reset the brain's natural clearance systems and restore function. This new treatment paradigm shows promise for effectively treating Alzheimer's by targeting its vascular contributions. Scientists are excited about the potential for clinical interventions and improved patient outcomes. In just 6 doses, they achieved a striking reversal in cognitive decline and brain health. There may be hope on the horizon for Alzheimer's patients as this research progresses. For regular updates, please like, comments.share, and subscribe to our channel so we can grow together.